Seen a lot of women, but I think it's time for you. Pretty brown skin girl, prettiest in the room. Been around the world, but I always seem to come back